Hi, my name is Laimi Harry, and today I want to show you guys how to easily blend skin in Capture One. To do that, first of all, select the skin that you want to blend. To do that, go to your magic brush. Since this image is not so busy, it doesn't have a lot of colors, the magic brush should work fine. But even with the magic brush, or even with the skin not being busy, I still don't want the colors on the lips, so I'm going to clean off that part so that everything is just on the skin alone. And also, don't forget to feather your brush properly, your eraser properly, so that it doesn't really have that sharp edges. You want to feather it properly. You reduce the hardness. Yes, as you can see me do here, you reduce the hardness so that it has those soft edges. And when you now change the colors, it doesn't really affect it much. It doesn't look strange or weird. Now, once this is done, pay attention to the following steps. You want to make sure that your adjustment layer is selected, and then color editor, and under the color editor you have your skin tone. Then pick this eyedropper tool here and select a desired spot on the skin that you want to make a general tone. For me, this is fine. Once you've selected that, you want to head over to the uniformity. Now under this, please pay attention to my settings. These are my settings. You want to get this to 50%. That's the hue. The hue is always at 50% or somewhere around that range, and also the saturation, the same thing. As you can see, the difference is already has this uniform look to it, and then with the amount, I fine-tune the selection or the skin toning even further. Increase the lightness here too to make it blend even further. But basically, this is how you blend skin. Let me know what you think.